are at our next location, which is 2-in-1 hanging bridge plus kayaking, and all of us have dressed now kayaking because we really don't know how it's gonna be. My last experience, I know you're gonna be completely wet. So check out, our man is just chilling.
Yeah. So ivaru nam wow anta helidre weekend on
wheels. Adukku story ide aamele heltini.
Okay.
So that's the what do I say? Hanging bridge. So that's the kayaking. And here comes our hanging bridge. So beautiful. Beautiful. Nice. So that's the complete hanging bridge. So you have another hanging bridge near Sulya where you can actually take a motorcycle and go, so which you've seen in my previous videos. So if you want to come, these are the bucket lists that you definitely need to come here. And this place is called Water Adventure. And there you see, completely, you see a bridge, so you can take the kayak now and go. So we'll take the kayak, we'll go. So this is what, so we've done with the hanging bridge. Let's take a photo there, and then now let's go to kayaking. Neen partner rakhtiya kayaking ke liye? Chalo, so I've got a partner. So Trishulu, RJ Trishulu, nanu. So ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು kayak ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಈ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಹೆಸರೇನು? ಕೆಮ್ಮಣ್ಣು.
ಸೊ ಕೆಮ್ಮಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಈಗ ಕಾಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ.
ಕಾಯಾಕಿಂಗ್. ತಿಮ್ಮಣ್ಣ ಕುದ್ರು. ಕೆಮ್ಮಣ್ಣ ಕುದ್ರು. ತಿಮ್ಮಣ್ಣ. ತಿಮ್ಮಣ್ಣ ಕುದ್ರು. ಸಾರಿ ಕೆಮ್ಮಣ್ಣಲ್ಲ, ತಿಮ್ಮಣ್ಣ ಕುದ್ರು.
ತಿಮ್ಮಣ್ಣ ಕುದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಈ ಜಾಗ.
So if you come, you can see the hanging bridge which we went and came, and this is the kayak. Go and kayak. Let's go kayaking now. Yes. So I'm taking the back seat. Here I am. Yes. So if you remember last time, myself, DV and all of us had come, and that was in Udupi. Not Udupi, Shastana. We had gone to zone 51. And since it's evening, it's low tide, so which is okay. And now,
okay, so ivaga ನಾವು
wait. Yes, come. So I have Trishul with me.
Yeah.
So good. So let's. Are we good to go, Trishul?
Strong angle.
So this has to be inside, Trishul. Your paddle this side.
Inside.
That is inside. Yes. So 1, 2. So we are going actually against the current, so it's going to be a little difficult. No, we'll take no turn. We'll go front there. We'll cross that bridge there. So guys, next time you want to come to Udupi, you know what are the things you need to do. So we've already shown you 3 things. The first was Malpe Beach, and after which we had gone to that sea walk. After which we had been to our next location, that was the boat house, and now it's kayaking. And it's not the end of the day. We've got so many other things to do, and Trishul is giving me company while we are doing kayaking. Look at the beautiful boat. Sir, namaskara. Wow.
Suzuki ಗಾಡಿ ಉಂಟೆ ಕಲರತ್ತೆ.
तुम लोग कहाँ से आ गए बीच में? Left, 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 left. So you saw the race results. We had a sudden death. We had collided with another kayak boat. However, we won it. Left. And here we come to the end of our journey. Getting back, pretty much enjoyed what we did. So if you want to enjoy the same way, you need to come here. And we've given enough information where this place is. So join in. And we come to the end. Done with kayaking, had an amazing time at kayaking. Now we are going towards Kappu beach, lighthouse, and then I think that'll be the end of the day. We'll call for the day there, and it'll gonna be the rest. And tomorrow again we have the cycle all again. So I'll see you guys once we reach at our next location, which is Kappu. And finally here we are at the beach, Kappu beach. Looks like everybody's done. We've been a little late. I had to pick my car from the DC office, so I had to go there and then come here. So it's sundown, but let's go in and check out. Let's see what are the other our team are doing there. That's the lighthouse there, Kappu lighthouse at the beach. And look at that very nice orange shade still being there after the sunset. Beautiful view. And there's our team. Let's see what they have to say. I got terribly late. You can see some stars, and then you can see the moon there with some red shade. Here we are at Palace Garden with all the luggage. All the luggage, yes. Jacket, helmet. And he's gonna be my roommate for the day, I believe.
I believe too. And I wish.
Yeah, and look, I've come here last time for Sachin's reception. So the event does not end here. So we've got a small Yakshagana. I thought back in the beach that was it, but then we've some Yakshagana here. So we'll do that. And this place is really good, amazing place. Good place, and wow, some water body. So just rooms got allotted, and we have Villa 1, and the room that myself and Trishul has got is 2 and 3. Let's check out the room. So you have duplex, you have 2 there and 3 here. Let's check out the room. Whoa, this is fancy stuff. Nice room. Wow, nice. So this is the room at Palace garden.
ವಾವ್, ಹೋಗಿ ಬಂದಾಯ್ತು.
Nice. So we've got some good stuff here. So here we have some performance now. So we'll have a dance and some Yakshagana.
Taganam taga, tagajam taga, tagarum taga, taganum tagajam taga, taga tarita tarita jimita jimita kita tagatam, tagidat tatam. Rara.